guys, and today I'm telling you about the bones with the book and the human body toy. The bones has three major jobs. The first one is to move, the second one to protect the internal organs, and the third one to produce the blood cells in bone marrow. Your smallest bone in your body is the staples, also known as stirrup, and it's in your ear. Here, yeah. Calcium is a very important material for your bones because bones are made of calcium. Calcium-rich foods like milk, yogurt, ice cream will make your bones very happy and strong. Okay, your largest, strongest, and longest bone is your femur. Whatever. Okay, let's go to the bones page. This is the bone page. The first fact is, bones are living, growing body parts that need blood to bring in oxygen and nutrients. Without them, you'll be a blob, like a puddle, and everyone's stopping at you. Now, what's this? Two marrow. Bones produce red and white blood cells in the center part called the marrow. This is the one bone, and this is the stages of the bone. The first one is the shelter of the bone. Compact bone, spongy bone, marrow cavity, and these are the veins and arteries. The blue things are the arteries, and the red things are the veins. Now let's do the 13 vitals. First one is skull, right here. It protects your most important part of your body, your brain. Shoulder blades right here. They're not really attached to your back. Yeah, I can feel the shoulder blade right here. Yeah. Number 3, humerus. Ball joints at the shoulder and at the hips allow you to swing your arms and legs. Radius and ulna. These two bones right here. These two bones spin around each other so you can twist your arm. This is the hands. The thumb is special because it can move separately and twist separately. The ribcage protects the very important organs, the heart and your lungs. Backbone. Your backbone right here includes 33 bones that are stacked like a block. Hip bones here, shaped like a bowl to hold your guts. Femur, where is it? Here, the longest bone in your body. Tibia and fibula, the two bones that will make your lower leg. You have 26 bones in each foot. 13. Now I'm explaining you with the human body toy, the vitals again. Abracadabra, open the skin. Yay! Okay, number 1, the skull. Your skull protects your most important organ, your brain. Right here. You know the brain, the squishiest part. And it's right here. Shoulder blades, right here. It's not right here, but it needs to be here. Kind of thing, yeah. Humerus, wait, this is the humerus, a joint. Like here. Like inside your shoulders. Now, radius and ulna. Where is radius? This is radius and this is ulna. Okay, this is the radius and this is the radius. This is the ulna. Here. This is the radius. This is the ulna. I mean, this is the ulna. This is the radius. Hands. Hands. The thumb is special because it can twist and move separately. Here. Rib cage. Rib cage is right here. That protects your heart and your liver. Lungs. Backbone here. Okay. Now your hip bones. Right here. It's right here, making about a toy. Now the tibia and the fibula. Right. Here. Now, feet. Here. Ow. Okay. That's it. The 13 vitals of the bones. Please subscribe, ring a bell. See you next time. Bye. A skeleton. How's skeleton ring? Ah!